My name is Aura, and we're gonna talk about food today, but first we're gonna talk about yourselves. We're gonna ask you some questions. I do understand Chinese and speak Chinese, but we're not gonna do Chinese here unless it's necessary. If you need to ask me something because you don't know how to say it, sure. But we're gonna keep it in English, okay? So everybody please make sure you read this before we start. And we're gonna start with your English names if you have an English name. If not, you can just tell me your Chinese name. So we're gonna start with my name is, and then we'll move on to different questions. Okay, so let's start with your name. So everybody say my name is, and then your name.
My name is Ellie.
Just name first.
My name is Lemon.
My name is Hongchen.
Okay.
My name is Danny.
My name is Lilian.
Okay.
My name is Ken.
My name is Joanna.
All right. So now let's see how old are you? So I am plus your age. I'm assuming that most of you are either 18, 19, 20, 22, 21 or 22, right? If you are 18 or 19, you're what we call a teenager because teenagers are from 13 to 19. Okay, let's start here. How old
I
are you?
am 19 years old.
Oh, I am 20 years old.
I'm 19 years old.
I'm 21.
I'm 18 years old.
I'm 18 years old. 21 years old.
Okay, all right. Now let's talk about major. So major is what you're studying here in school. If you don't know how to say it in English on your student ID card, it's in English. So you can take it out in case you don't know how to say it. Here are some that some students have said before: information management, interior design, international business, information engineering, financial affairs, tourism, visual communication design, finance, civil engineering, marketing, and logistics. So if you can't read yours, do let me know and I can help you. We're gonna say my major is, and then you say your major, okay? Let's start here. Visual communication design. My major is.
My major is.
Wait. It's not is, it's is. My major is. Is. Okay. Visual communication
Communication.
design. Okay. Yes.
My major is visual communication design.
My major is interior 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 design.
Okay. All right. Now let's talk about your hometown. Where are you from in Taiwan? Are you from Taipei? Are you from Kaohsiung? Are you from Taitung or etc.? Okay, so just my hometown is, tell me your hometown. Start here.
My hometown is in Taoyuan.
Okay.
My hometown is in New Taipei City.
Okay.
My hometown is Shaoyuan.
My hometown is Xi'an.
My hometown is Taipei.
My hometown is Taipei.
Okay, alright. Now let's talk about what year in school are you on. So in English we have names for them. I know that you do year 1, year 2, year 3, year 4, and keep going, right? So first year is freshman, second year is sophomore, third year is junior, and then fourth year and everything after that is senior. Even if it's fifth year or sixth year, you're still senior. Okay, so you say I am a freshman, or I am a sophomore, I am a junior, or I am a senior. Okay?
I am a freshman.
I'm a freshman.
I'm a sophomore.
I'm a sophomore.
I am a sophomore.
I am a sophomore.
Okay. Alright, let's talk about hobbies now. So, hobbies are the things that you liked doing. Here are some examples. So these are examples, okay? I'm gonna ask you to tell me two of your hobbies. Doesn't have to be here. Remember, it's what you like. So we have playing games, cooking, dancing, listening to music, reading books, shopping, swimming, playing sports, drinking beer, going to the beach, riding, up to you, right? Now, because these are habits, we have to use ing when we say them. You see, all of them have ing. So please don't say, I like listen to music. No, you say, I like listening to music. Alright, so please choose two of your favorite hobbies and tell me. So, my hobbies are, and then you say them. Okay, let's start here.
My hobbies
My hobbies are.
are shopping and cooking.
Okay,
My hobby are shopping and listening to music.
My hobbies are listen to music and writing.
okay.
My hobbies are playing basketball and video games.
My hobbies are playing games and listening to music.
My hobbies are playing games and listening to music.
To the movies? Okay, next question is going to be, do you work and study or do you only study? If you have no job, you just say, I only study. And if you do work, you say, I work and study. And please let me know what you do for work. Okay, let's start here.
I work and study.
Okay, and what do you do for work? What is it?
Waiter.
Oh, waitress. Okay.
I only study.
I only study.
I only study.
I only study.
Okay, alright. So, later today, before we finish the class, I will like you guys to tell me two words that you have learned today. Okay, later, obviously not now. We're just starting. Alright, so like I said, we're gonna talk about food. Okay, so we're gonna talk about food, what you like eating. So, we're gonna talk about breakfast, lunch, and dinner, right? So, let's get started. Okay, so, this is a lot of different kinds of bread, right? So we have white bread, we have wheat bread, okay, so wheat bread, whole grain bread, rye bread, croissant, rolls, Swiss rolls or jelly rolls in the US, pretzels, bagels, hamburger bun, okay, so the bun is the bread that you put in the hamburger. And then we have hot dog bun, donut, breadsticks, and French bread or baguette. Okay, so first thing, you're gonna tell me if you like eating bread and what kind of bread do you like to eat. So choose one or two from here that you like eating. Okay, so choose one of these two. I like eating bread or I don't like eating bread. And the kind of bread I like eating is, and then please choose one or two from here.
eating bread. The kind of the bread I like eating is donuts.
I like eating breaks. The kind of breaks I like eating are donuts and bagel.
I don't like eating bread.
Oh, okay.
I like eating bread. The kind of bread I like eating donut.
Okay.
I like eating bread. The kind of bread is bread I like eating is donut.
I like eating bread. The kind of bread I like eating donuts.
I like eating is
Donut.
okay. Alright, so here are some other kinds of food or things that you add to your food. So there's cheese, butter, margarine, cottage cheese. So these two are very similar, but they're not the same. So let me see. So it's very similar to butter, but it's not butter. Then we have cottage cheese. You cannot find that in Taiwan, I think. This kind of cheese is called cottage cheese. And there's yogurt, cream, ice cream, sour cream, hot dog, sausage, sandwich, hamburger. Now most people just say burger. No, nobody really says hamburger because it's too long. Then we have pizza, bread, eggs, roast chicken, bacon, steak. Very important, this is steak, it's not steak. Okay, many people get confused and say steak. Yeah, so this is steak. This is steak. I know it sounds very similar, but they're not the same. This is a stick. Okay, you don't eat stick. You eat steak. Okay, stick, and then there's steak. All right. So that's very important to know that this is a steak, not a stick. All right. You can have steak on a stick, for sure. But you don't want to have steak. All right. So then we have a kebab. So you see kebabs in night markets. Then we have ham. So this the sliced part we call it ham. Then we have fish and seafood. Okay. So let's take a look. Okay, so how about you guys choose two from here that you like eating? So let's say my favorite foods. Let's say some, because probably not all of them are here. Some of my favorite foods are whatever, whatever, and whatever, whatever. Okay, you choose. Fourth. Let's start here. Some of my favorite foods.
My favorite foods are cheese and steak.
Okay, nice.
Some of my favorite food are steak and hot dog.
Some of my favorite foods are seafood and ice cream.
Some of my favorite foods are eggs and seafood.
Some of my favorite food are ice cream and sandwich.
Some of my favorite food are sandwich and pizza.
Some of my favorite food are hot dog and pizza.
Good. we're gonna see fruits. There's a lot of fruits here. Okay, so we have apple. Okay, this is apple, not apple. Apple, watermelon, apricot, pears, nectarines, papaya, peaches, grapes, melon. Now, melon, let me show it to you, okay, because I think the picture is not great. So that's melon, then we have star fruit, plums, mangoes, pomegranate. Let me also show you that one. These are pomegranates. Pineapples, raspberries, strawberries, bananas, coconuts, oranges. Now, oranges is when it's plural, and then by itself, orange. There's no orangey, okay? No orangey. Orange or oranges. And then mandarins, grapefruit, lemon, limes. So you see these ones are different because lemons are yellow, limes are green. Blueberries, jackfruit. Let me also show you jackfruit. Jackfruit, avocado, cherries, and kiwi. Okay? So I'd like to know what are your favorite fruits? Okay? So give me 2 or 3 of your favorite fruits from here. Okay, let's start here. And what? Melon? Melon, okay.
My favorite foods are watermelon and mango.
Okay.
My favorite foods are apple and kiwi.
Kiwi, okay.
My favorite foods are mangoes and kiwi.
My favorite foods are strawberry and papaya.
My favorite fruits are melon and mango.
My favorite foods are raspberry and cherries.
Alright, so then here we have burger, cheeseburger, sandwich, taco, burrito, hot dog, fried chicken, sausage, muffins. We can also say cupcakes because it's like a cake in a cup. Careful there. We have biscuits from the UK or cookies from the US. So we have baguettes, donuts, pizza, bacon, onion rings, pancakes, noodles, soft drink, chips, UK, fries, US, and pretzels. And lastly we have milkshake. Alright, then let's check one more here. So obviously this is for breakfast, right? So there's marmalade, toast, cheese, waffles, breakfast burrito, croissant, tomatoes, yogurt, porridge, breakfast cereal, bacon, orange juice, pancake,